continuation to ng last time. Yung last time was the full technique, bibitaw siya. Yung second video was about positive and grips. Bawa yan, positive to positive. So alam niyo naman, positive to negative. Review nyo lang yung old video ko. This time, tuturo sa inyo mga miscellaneous. Yung hindi nyo kailangan hawakan, wala kayong oras, o may kutsilyo din kayo. But this time, wala. One is ito. Use your forearm. Hold the thumb. Then, release. Then, from there, use your forearm. This time, when I mid thrust, still forearm. If he doesn't release, return it back towards his face, driving with your upper body, with your shoulder. Then from here, it's almost the same drive. Then afterwards, you can do that. Then after the low forearm, go to the upper arm.